but that's flat. Try out. Okay, ignore how my hair is looking and ignore the way that I'm literally hunched over. This is how I have to sit up when I'm in this bed. But I started this last night and this is how far I got. And I'm super annoyed at myself because basically the pattern said that I needed a 3.5mm hook, and although I am very much aware that my tension is not strong, I don't have strong I don't have good tension, so I was like, you need to do it in a 3. I looked for my 3mm hook. I always size down either 0.5 or a whole millimeter when I'm crocheting following a pattern, if that makes sense, but I couldn't find it. And oh, look at this one, it's so wonky. I don't know what I do with them, but I couldn't find it, so I was like, okay, I'll just use a 3.5 then, because I need to get it started. And lo and behold, it's really like, it's okay if it was like a top and there was something like a bra going on underneath, but this is supposed to be a bralette. She wants to wear it without a bra, so I need to start again, and I need to do it in a 3 instead of a 3.5. Why is this so wonky? Can I even work with that? We'll soon find out. But yeah. Also, do you like my cheetah bedding? Now I have bright pink bedding and also black bedding with ghosts on it, so it's my two personalities colliding, and I love it. Mr. Worldwide approves as well. But yes, I will be restarting this. Although it's really easy, it's literally just repeating for 13. Well, it says to do 13 if I'm doing like large cups, which I am, because they're Maya's and she's got big kahunas. So yeah, I'm going to be starting this again. And I found these random people on YouTube, never watched them before, but they basically reacting to the entire Fear Street trilogy. So yeah, I just watched Fear Street Prom Queen. So shit. It's kind of going to be like a hate watch, because I like some of the actors / actresses in it, but the actual film itself, I love the Fear Street trilogy, but hate Prom Queen. Just in case you wanted to know, but yeah. I'm basically going to start this again. That's it.
Hello, I hope you enjoyed the second part of this video. I am a fool and accidentally deleted the edited footage for the end of the bralette making, so I have had to completely re-edit the end. I also lost the last part of the filming, where I completed the bobbly bits of the edge. I am going to end it here for now, just because I need to measure the bralette on Maya before I continue with it. Comment down below what you want to see next. Bye.